Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to view saved password on Android. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily see all your saved passwords on your Android device. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not root to device, so this works in every country. So it doesn't matter your location. Now, before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Google or your Gmail. So open your Gmail over here. You can also do this from your settings as well. So once you open your Gmail, click on your profile at the top right corner, and once you click on that, you can see Google account. Click on Google account. Now once you click on Google account, scroll to where you can see security. Click on security over here. Now once you click on security, all you need to do is to just scroll. And once you scroll, you can see password manager. Click on this password manager, and you can see over here, check your saved password to strengthen your security. You can see all the apps that I have over here, and you can see password saved. So now click on the one that you want to see its password. In my case, I'm going to use Facebook. And once you click on Facebook, it will demand for your fingerprint or your passcode or your device password. Now you can see over here, all you want to do is to click on the C over here, the I option, and once you click on this I option, you can see your password. Unlike the rest, so you can just click on any of them, and you can see, click on this option. So you can see over here, click on any of them, and once you click on them, you can see all the saved password over here. So with this, you can see all your password on your Android device. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe.